Good morning, friends. This is Durga from IT University. As part of Apache Spark 2 with Python 3 course, today we'll be talking about collections and tuples. So, when it comes to Spark, means if you want to learn Spark using Python as programming language, the most important topic which you need to focus as part of Python is collections. Unless you understand collections in depth, you will not be able to write good data processing applications. Hence, you need to spend enough time to understand Python core collections, and also by playing around with collections, you can actually improvise your Python skills quite a bit. Okay. As part of this session, we'll be talking about overview of collections and tuples. We will see how to read data from files into collection, and the basic collections such as list, set, and dict, which is nothing but data structures which hold homogeneous elements as a group. And then we will talk about tuples after going through basic operations on the collections. And then we'll actually develop data processing applications using loops over collections. That way, you will get comfortable with loops, you will get comfortable with collections, you will understand the real usage of collection operations or collection functions, so on and so forth.